takes trade talks. An AI-powered disruption? India is on the move. A game-changing airport takes off in Navi Mumbai. The India-EU trade deal enters crunch time. And a new report reveals how AI is rapidly transforming Indian businesses. Hello everyone, I am Swelvi Vajpayee and these are the top stories we are covering today. First up, big news from India's financial capital. The first phase of the much-awaited Navi Mumbai International Airport has finally taken off, marking a new era in India's aviation history. Built to ease the pressure on Mumbai's overburdened Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, this isn't just another airport. It's a next-gen smart hub blending cutting-edge tech with stunning art. Spread over 1,160 hectares, this mega project will handle 20 million passengers in its first phase, and when fully completed, up to 155 million flyers every year. Fully Digi-Yatra enabled, the airport promises a seamless paperless experience with 66 check-in counters, 22 self-baggage drop points, pre-bookable parking, and AI-powered passenger management systems. But it's not just about the travel. It's also about the transformation. Officials say that this airport could generate over 2 lakh jobs, powering growth in aviation, logistics, hospitality, IT, real estate, and more. From gaming zones to metro connectivity and cashless retail to employment, the Navi Mumbai International Airport is redefining what an airport experience looks like in India. 3 months, 2 economic giants, 1 deal. Yes. India and the European Union are racing against time, aiming to seal a mega trade deal within the next 3 months. The free trade talks are gaining serious momentum thanks in part to the ripple effects of US President Donald Trump's aggressive tariff policies. Till now, 13 rounds of discussion have concluded since July. Both sides are looking to conclude the agreement talks by December. The European Union is pushing India to cut sky-high car import duties, some over 100% or 160% with extra charges. Brussels also wants more access for wines and agriculture goods, while India demands duty-free access for labor-intensive and emerging sectors like autos and electronics. A major sticking point? Sustainability clauses. The European Union's carbon tax on steel, aluminium, cement and fertilizers coming January 26. India has pushed back against the EU's carbon border adjustment mechanism, calling it unfair to developing nations. India's growing manufacturing base, booming digital economy and massive domestic market make it a magnet for European companies looking for alternatives to China. India's AI engine is accelerating and it's reshaping how businesses think, build and compete. A new study by the Competition Commission of India finds that 67% of Indian AI startups are working in the application layer, building tools that directly impact industries from banking to healthcare to logistics and e-commerce. The study shows that 88% use machine learning, 78% rely on natural language processing, and 66% are experimenting with generative AI and large language models. About 27% are already exploring computer vision tech. It also notes that global giants like Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and OpenAI are driving much of the open source technology powering India's AI startups. AI adoption is spreading fast from dynamic pricing and demand forecasting to personalized recommendations and supply chain tracking. Nearly 90% of businesses use AI to study customer behavior and 69% for predicting demand. But the CCI also issues a warning. Companies slow to adopt AI risk, losing competitiveness in an increasingly AI-driven market. It also flagged concerns over algorithm conclusion, data inequality, and AI opacity. That's all that we have on this edition of SME This Week. You stay tuned to SME Futures.